really cool. We're back out here at one of my favorite places, the sunflower fields. I'll show you the farm name. I can't really say it, but this is a great place to come take photos. My camera died, so I'm gonna be using my vlogging camera to take some photos, but they got some really cool old trucks and old tractors. I'm going over to this old car right now, but this is awesome. If you are in need of practicing photography, it's $5 to walk the sunflower trails. It's almost like a corn maze made of flowers. See what I mean? They cut through the tall grass. Some flowers up here next to this old car. Ooh, it's got an old Michigan license plate as well. This is probably my favorite car. I've seen this last year. I'll post a video down in the description of this place. This is really cool. Time for more B-roll. Cool little area to come get photos. They have old doors. This is really cool. It's a simple setup and everything. Old chest. I like the old door. I like this texture on the door. That's a really cool texture. I like that texture too. Look at that doorknob. It's got a rose on it. Wow. Really cool. Now we're gonna enter into the sunflower fields. Let's go. Oh, if it wasn't for this breeze, it would be pretty toasty out right now. Ooh, this is pretty. I like the breeze right here. This is really nice. Look, I found the sunflower fields. These ones aren't as tall as last year's.
Ooh, the dark one.
Now we have come over to the area where you cut flowers. But they also do have some stuff still for you to take pictures in. They have some couches and stuff over there. Last year, it was all over there. That's where the trail of sunflowers was last year, where that corn is. But now, they moved it to the back. Look at this. This is a really cool flower right here. Armani arm. Don't know how to say that. These are cool. I like those. The breeze went away. Now it's just sun beating down on top of us. It's getting hot. They actually have where you can pick vegetables too here. I don't know where that's at, but I don't need to do it because I grew up on the farm, so it's easy for me to pick. But if you haven't picked vegetables before and you want to pick your own vegetables, they have that here. I don't know where it's at. There's just a sign over there that says you can pick your own vegetables, which is really cool if you've never done it, or if you have a little one that wants to pick their own vegetables, you can do it right there. Alright, now, if you do plan on coming out here, we came out here in the middle of the day. It's about 1 o'clock, almost 1:30. That's probably why it's so hot. But I would recommend coming at golden hour. Now, golden hour is an hour or two before the sun completely sets. So you want to get it when the sun's right about above those trees right there. That's the perfect time to come here. Probably only have like an hour, hour and a half at most to get pictures done, but that's a great time here. They're open up until 8, so I'm assuming golden hour is around 6:30, 7 o'clock. That's when I would recommend getting here. Wow, those are some super tall sunflowers. Can't get over there, they have it blocked off. I was trying to get a real close up, but it might be a little shaky. Used to be their store right here, and then they opened up the big one over there. Alrighty, I think that's going to do it from here today. We had fun picking flowers, taking photos. I'm going to do some photo editing probably before I just talk about it Thursday. That being said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my videos. With that, get your foot out the door and explore. See y'all in the next one.